Ajawi kamataya Baobi Bauri Ku Somga Kui Platinum Ayamayon Hire ADC Bill 2021 State Assembly Mangli Ngsan Palungi Kachinada HAC Chairman Pungyer AC MLA K Leishio Keshing Hang Hire Hunpun Wona Thanda Hanga Ungnau Kala Shimshang Ngasot Nau Zangda 44 AC BJB MLA Intending Candidate Somadai Shaizali Ayang Europam Hire Lay Kayang Thor Aja the Tangkhul Express with Pau Chungsangla Jajo ina Pami Dale Pau Bing May Sa ina Nanangurumsa Pau Reku Somga Kui with Platinum Ayamayon Hire Rani Jili 45 Chingai SC with NPF Intending Candidate Ungbam Raikanam So Wasada Vazanga Kala Pungjam Kui Headman Ungnaungam Horam Aina Be Kui Chairman Mun Shimra Anina Kayawasada Vazanga 1946 kum pungjam we aina shimlak hangmati da khani paureli wag somna kala ara paureli shimlak shamati hangpanga shiga leida leichi vereshing sa ga hai pungjam we awa ayi pingli chigum paureli somkhawai ngalei khamina chi pungjam awnga 1946 kum paureli ramban khawai wiwang apamida aje zingum hangshini da phanga kashung ga hai chi wiwang ningshi phongshok da ramwi thochan da paure khui chairman robust pairina shimeka peichithei haira paure hi sokami ramna gaji hi pungjam we headman ungnaungam haram na hangda paure ram som platinum kamayon we ringapha kala ragazang pingli ningshi phongshok da apam hi very shili shitkasang gashura pingwi wangna da 1946 li ishi awo ayi ngarana thari hai kamina gaji hi hangsang Rani Jili Razang Kawai Pe Kulila Kangahot Wang Ningshi Mida Kayawa Pe Kui Chairman Mun Shimrana Kung Kanina Mashit Meda Zadvalaga Regasang Hagasang Kwirarano Kajihila Hangsanga Ungbam Raikana Shongfu Semiyada Ningshi Kami Ainang Soda Ragra Election Ni Maikaya Samang Lakra Kajihi Pe Kui Chairman China Hanga Ring and Iram Mati Panga Mashita Octurum Kawai Maram Lila Hangsanga Si Yang Ya retired MPS na Aja Platinum Celebration Kamayon hi Songai Laka Gajida Hangda Paureli Somkare Shimlak Hang Matida Kaniwi Ngachaili Mitarada Gutum Arilo Octuida Lay Chia Former Village Chairman Solomon Kalengla Rani Chili Vazangda Ungbam Raikhanwi Otmanga Atei Kamatei Ngasarano Gajihila Hangsanga Ungbam Raikana Rani Chili Kamatuili Ana Yarili Sheba Sa Kavaida Awi Shorkar Otpam Aina Voluntary Retirement Kakwina Gajihi Hangda Awi Gajangat Retirement Va 2035 Li Tanaugi Gajina Chia Kala Awi Wang Mang Maningla Intending Candidate Katay Bing Wivangla Seha Samilu Gajihi Ungbam Raikana Boy Lug is policy rara de lay kajila hangda itumwing lay identity machun nga kawai ranping aina lay sapalungra ji aina ngasoda itumwi mangali apong khwira khamili khwising palungra kajihi hang Regsang hi khoka sa ka ragi gachina kala rakra atamli regsang khwira kawai ngaririk hai thai khawa lay palungra ogatwi thakshun aina ngajai sang de lay itumli manotha hai ngasaksa da raikana kasatsanga Raghara Okthot Pingwivang Itumwe Environment La Ngak Misa Kachila Hangsanga Itumwe Vak Border Show Aka Itumwe Economic Matalak Aina Resangra Kachila Hangda Aruhon Nagaland Shongbang Aina Lay Ungda Kalaina Kachila Hang Itum Business Shong Katada Mai Kangre Dagar Saya Kachila Hanga Samgapangwe Ringapha Zagui Sada Paure Career Long Na Ungbam Raikani Kazay Hervakala Hanshirang Randi Haira Kala Raikhan we ot mangali verena somi renu kachihi hangsang Paure we ramsom platinum angasut ungushung aya mayon haira Paure Baptist Church with Jubileela aja ena mayon pograchia Hill Areas Committee HAC recommend kasa Manipur Hill Areas ADC Bill 2021 State Assembly mangli ngasan palungi kachina da HAC Chairman Pungyer SC MLA ke Leishio Keshing hang Pungyer SC we Kharam Khulenli country thing Rio Pung Tharkat Kaka Ranieli MLA Leishiola Wazang the Chili Kamutuli Hang Kajia ADC Bill 2021 community halls Rio Pung La public spaces li Yarina Ngazeki Kichi Maning Mana State Assembly li Ngasan Ranada K Leishiona Hang Bill China Manipur integrate Sagi Kichi Malay Mana Kichi Hi Hang the Autonomous District Councils later Kalay Northeast States Kateli this integration we question later Leila Kichi Hila Leishiona Kang Han Sai Local self-government li Pangshap Chungmei Kamina State Mga Gaimi Lak Marakala Hill districts we forest areas manage Sakvai Law Act in Saran Uda local self-government authorized Sagahaina the MLA Leishiona Hang. Ek Kaika we Azingli states Kaikali Kurung Hong ADCs na Yangasang Leia Ka Manipur Liji Mathamana the Leishiona Hang. Ka Manipur we forest areas live Chigata customary laws that Nafagachina Gachi Hang the Hill districts li land allotment makami wivang kapung nau ping wili kangadang la shoka kachi hanga 1956 we village authority act mazat nalu mana kachi hanga hill districts live mi kachung kana jum cultivation khavana kala jum cultivation regulate sakavai la horticulture agriculture promote sakavai ADC bill chili incorporate sagahaina chia ADC bill chi assembly li tables masakami chin system shoi kahai chithaya da ke leishiona hanga Kala Ari Hon He Pangshap Psychorami Akamangli centralized Saga Hai Thaya Gaji Hang the local self-government hiva Aming Mang Aina Kalena the Leishiona Hang. Chitaka made a Manipur Lila Pangshap Psychora Imfali Kalena the Hang. Politics we Manga Aina itum the policies Kamata Kwiragi Gachina Kala politician Kajivana ideology driven politics li Zangi Gachina the Ana Hang. Legislators Kaikana national leader Pingli airport li Wangrok Kakwili Ngalangazar Sadale Gaji Hangda legislators Kajungajava Manipur Kalata Ngarin Kawai Sasa Gajila Mapaning Sang Manada Leishiona Hang. Politicians Kipalong the Manipur Hi Kalata Kangarin State Ngasa Kawai initiatives Kuihira Kala Gajila Ana Kanghan Saya. Hunpun Wona Tanda Hanga Ungnau Kala Shimshang Ngasot Nau Zanglaga 44 SC BJP MLA intending candidate Somatai Shaizali Ayang Europam Haira. Tuigahai atamli moongshung mawagshung kangui kalang tarakat laisalala huimi piao milu kaje hunpun Ukhrul psychorally somatai shaizana saklak aina boya ima hunpun now kokasada ili akashida kagatom milak lu the intending candidate somatai shaizana saklak aina ngakawa hanga ungnau kala hunpun akhoga pingdala kazip chili kasat kasangai nang soda somatai shaizale ramnau na kokasada kotom sada hangsangaroka Hanga Ungnauna Tuglak Aina Muchuklaga Somatai Shaizali Ramui Mingning Saranuda Kamaya Mihaira Chia. Somatai Shaizana Ningshi Kami Airang Soda Sayhag Sali Paningung Michingluda Polishita. Winter Parliament Session Delhi Armed Forces Special Power Act with Maramli Member of Parliament Outer Manipur Dr. Lorho S. Fozena Ray Sahir. Oting Otshotli civilians Tarada Mati Kada Tigahai Maram Pejitade Northeastern States Manipur Nagaland Assam Meghalaya Kala Arunachal Pradesh li AFSPA Kahaiwi Aina Kachot Kajangta ka Sampang Haira Ekhiwi Aina Mirin Chungna Shaman Haira Yumtat Kahai Sheshing Sagahai Remain Sagahai Yan Sai Gahai Chungna Shok Haira the Dr. Lorho Fozena Hangsang Naga MPs kete Geji Genye Zangda Nagaland with Rajya Sabha MP Nagaland with Lok Sabha MP Tokheho Yep Tommy Atumnala AFSPA with Maram Parliamentary Hangsang Manipur Pollution Control Board MPCB na Nambul Aina Naga Kongre with Angaret Katada Leili Kala Vayankui Haira MPCB Chairman Laishram Radha Kishore Zangda Inspection Kamana Kala Atumna Vakyangji Nambul Kongli Water Quality Monitoring Station install Sakvai Wivangna Chia. Water Quality Monitoring Station Ji Central Pollution Control Board CBCB na sponsor Sami Gigichina. State Li Kare Water Monitoring Station Nagaina Nambul Kong Ngashikui Kavaipam Thong Nambon Bili Semgigichina da Hanga. Chigata stations je rakara atamni apam ngatai dai khangatai lila semirachia Nambul Kong we pamli water quality monitoring station still make up the kutum kada semira the Laishram Radha Kishore hang MPCB na state we water bodies ping we turbidity level gaja ter kamating changla tamzat talaichi hang hai Imphal city li ungazang kong khniji kong bamli kabambing we wang aina kala ta khamai bamwi aina la yaruina khamakhaw rahir sangda makhawlak hairachi atam akli mating ri ka hai khamang ter mi gasa kong khniji ara makhawna da ning ga gajai bam ngasa haira da hang Naga Kong Samatha Kawai Project Kathar Singa Kawai Central Government ni Jehovah Haura Kala Project Je Rakra March Mayog Jang Kupsang Sa Kawai Sarada Hanga Yarina Gongli Kamakau Mahir Sang Milo Gajihi MPCB with Chairman Jina Hang Sang Inspection Kawa Chili Central Pollution Control Board Shillong Regional Director Dr. Z Jangshan MPCB with Senior Environmental Engineer Kangokpam Premkanta Atumla Zanga Parliamentary Secretary Sasa the Office of Profit Ngapam Kwigasana the MLA Tarada Kanili disqualify Salo Guji Maramli Supreme Court with judgment reserved Sahir Congress MLA DD Thaisi the Election Commission of India with Tungli read petition enang saw the special leave petitions SLPs la Thasang Gahaina Maramji Achontang Justice Nageshwara Rao, Justice B.D. Gawai Kala, Justice B.V. Nagaratna Atumna Nganasang Mida. Petitioner D.D. Thaisi we council na submit kasali kahang present petition hi makanathura gaji hi hang la SLP we maram we argument court na nganasang mi haira kala judgment reserve sahira. Maram chi we petition ji achahon la Governor Laganesh san na dismiss sa gahaina. Oting Otshodi condemn Gasapong Gashok Ainang Soda, Northeast States we aina AFSPA hi Kushok Palungra Gaji, Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC na hang. MHRC we acting chairperson Kaidem Manina press conference li kahang Northeastern States we Mibing Kokasada AFSPA hi repeal Sakawai Populungra Chia. Chief Ministers Gornat Sangmakala nephew Rio nala AFSPA repeal Salo Gaji Po Haira. Kala Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Nalachi demand sapulong rada Kaidem Manina hang. AFSPA Kwigushoki State Cabinet we tweetak aina disturbed area status hi Kushok Lagala Sagapaina da Kaidem na hang. AFSPA hiva Democracy we Foundation di challenge kasa Dragonian law na Kalaji Kushok Palung rada Kaidem Manina hang. International Human Rights Day kamayon ay nang soda MHRC na Human Rights with Maramli panel discussion na Imphal Hotel li ayakwi ka haira. Media live freedom of speech and expression nam gushan kala Violet Kasawi case shokka baka kipana ka MHRC li ralaga complain marasama na gaji hangda kipa we rights Violet Kasa lekha MHRC na saran sami kawai complaint ratha sangluda Manipur Human Rights Commission we acting chairperson Kaidem Manina hangjipuna. Texas USA li kalay First Naga Baptist Church FNBC nala Indian Military Force na civilians li yumgatat Mon District Otshot chile condemn saya gaji pongshok haira. Jaga zagshi shongji mistake nada mahayay paimana la agjang maram hinada malayla kudlay magsing civilians li kapkataji self-defense maho paimana da FNBC na makamayap hong shoka. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah with Chan Porlila makamayap hong shok da victims ping chiwivang mushun bijar samilo da FNBC na pohaira. Zingum taraka Indian Army we pangli naga naw bing kajot shap hung haira. Mi ting ting ti haira karnao naw shinao mayer naw zangda naga naw bing ni kachibat reka correct yan kasai shok da itum kalatta wi ingalayli itum li insecure sang sakala tapup kahai malayla pam ngasaka gaji hangda ajwe outshot hina Indiana naga naw bing li legshi khaya gashi malay mana kha ngaji ngasak laga ningkhanai na shijin kangwi yum gatat him manga kachi chithaya da FNBC na hangsang kha shabhaira India Shokana AFSPA naga inhabited areas we aina kathakwi lungli khushok milo kaji hi FNBC na pohaira. First Naga Baptist Church na mawan sag haiping we shimkhor lila condolence hangjipun haira. International Human Rights Day kamayon hi kakhalat shok may kawai mi kipa kawi mashun violet masang sa kawai initiatives kwipulung rada All Manipur United Clubs Organization amuko na hang. International Human Rights Day hi 1948 aina hapok da kum kaji ogathui we apam ngadadai dali mayon kharana Ajgum equality reducing inequalities advancing human rights hina tuikui sada mayon ngaroka kala Human Rights Day kamayon hina disturbed area da muchut mi ga haipam wi richum now ping wi mashun ngak mi shabrala kajila amukona khanghan sai Zinguma Sentinel College Jubilee mayon kawai fundraise sada one day faith come fish mela aje rungmi kidale faith chili mabitel dam wi khai khanganaw aman shakani mukuku aina mira chia Organic hunting hanrala your miracle tambola aina games katela rung mira Sentinel College Jubilee we fundraise kasa one day faith come fish melahi ajang thor pung chiko aina hapok da ngushun pung mati aina tangda rung mira apamna bakshikrang Imphal Municipality Office pingwi kamaya makwila rakra election we intending candidate pingwi political parties flag polls kala billboards Taraka Kaninga Gawivang Manipur High Court Public Interest Litigation Tasang Haira Municipality Office Pingwi Kamaya Magazang Ainang Soda Atumna Jithada flag poles billboards Kaning Zata Kaleji State Road Transport Ministry na Highways the advertisement ban Kasalila Violet Sayada petition chili Zanga Shorkarna hike me ainli kipa ranu shunga saklu gujihi Manipur High Court na jizami haira PIL Chiwi next hearing Tarau January Vasara Chia Manipur University Lila International Human Rights Day Mayonda MUE Department of Law Lecture Hall Li Rani Aka Kwikaya Rani Ji Department of Law and Center for Human Rights and Duties Education ng Ran Kamina MUE Vice Chancellor Registrar Center for Human Rights and Duties Education with Director MU Law Department with HOD DM College with Associate Professor Aka Kala Manipur State Human Rights Commission with former member Rani Chili Vazanga Air Force with chopper crash Kasali Tig High Chief of Defense Staff General Pibin Rawat with funeral service li Brar Square Crematorium li Kwikada Indiana Chief of Defense Staff li Kanawa Shalam Mihair General Rawat li full military honors mida awi funeral li 17 gun salute mi kala service personnel shajat kada wazanga General Rawat awi pareva kala mi tharada aga Indian Air Force AIF chopper gunner Tamil Nadu li crash kasali ajahon thik haina political leaders ping Home Minister Amit Shah Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath Congress leader Rahul Gandhi Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami, DMK leaders A. Raja Gaja Gami Mozi Zangda tribute Vamingroka. Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh Zangda foreign countries with senior military commander Pingda General Rawat with funeral service Chili Ungzang. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, former CM Harish Rawat, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar, Kala Union Minister Anurag Thakur Aina Gajendra Singh Shekhawat Atumla Vazanga. Ayang Azin we report at Ishur the Ukhrul district li COVID positive mi akala masambang mana. Positive masam kabanghi katum matithang ngoronda rahaira. COVID second wave karahili Ukhrul district li ari rashung da COVID positive sambanga hi thinga shajishat hangjishat da shini kashunga haina. Ari Ukhrul district li COVID kagza mi mashing mati leida DSO report na jithemia. Latluida ajiwi kamataya paubing. Pauri khu somga khuiwi platinum aya mayon haira. ADC Bill 2021 State Assembly mangli ngsan palongi kachina da HAC Chairman Punger AC MLA K Lesio Keshing na hang haira. Hunpun wo na thanda hanga ungnaw kala shimshang ngasot naw zangda 44 AC BJP MLA intending candidate Somatai Shaizali ayang Yurpam haira. Aji we pau hian ngachang haira nganadak lain dum zai korli so khami zimik shong sa serano.